Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Honda Civic Smart Key.
All key lost. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and 2 new smart keys to be programmed. Now, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose Smart Key Generation, Honda. Select Civic 47. Put the smart key produced by Lonsdor into card slot. Click Generation. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. Select IMO and Remote. Honda. Select from Vehicle. Asia. Civic. Select before 2018. Smart Key. Button 3. All smart key lost. Follow the prompts and click OK. The ignition switch is off. Click OK. Put a smart key to be programmed in the car. Take out the other keys at a distance of more than 5 meters outside the car. OK, because what we do is all key lost, so the ignition switch won't turn on. Click Cancel. Press and hold the engine start button for a long time and don't release it. The ignition switch is on. Please release the engine start button and click OK. Enter the number of keys to program. OK. Take all the keys out of the car in 100 seconds. Click OK when done. Put another smart key in the car. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Keys programmed count 2. Programming completed. Turn off ignition switch. Check whether the key can be used normally according to the prompts. Okay, let's see if the keys work. The first key, step on the brake. Press the start button. The first key was successfully started. The second key, step on the brake. Press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try the remote control. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2018 Honda Civic. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.